Hey there! Guess what's on my mail today? Ta-da! I ordered this 3 weeks ago from eBay. This is a Montessori Grammar symbol solids. This only costs like 2,300 yen. Let's see how it looks like inside. Okay, let's start with this. This is adjective. There, it goes there. This is noun. Oh, where does the noun go? Here. This one here is article. This one is pronoun. Here. Spin some more. Look at this. So this, it's supposed to be like that, but it can also be like that, is interjection. There. What are the others? Oh, this one is adverb. Adverb goes there. And then, what else do we have? Okay. So this one is conjunction. So it goes in here. Oh, this one is verb. Here. Now this is preposition. Goes there. There. What do you think? It's nice, right? It's made of wood. So you have the pronoun, you have the interjection, you have the verb, you have the preposition, you have the noun, the adjective, the article, the conjunction, and the adverb.